brand new video. Today I'm joined by Dr. Sherlock. Say hi, Dr. Sherlock. Look at me. Look at me, don't be rude. Okay, so I'm joined by Dr. Sherlock. And, you know, I'm really excited for this. Yeah, I'm really excited. So, what?
Wait, you forgot about me.
What? Who are you?
I'm your sister, and put me in creative, please. Everything is killing me.
Yeah. Wait, who are you?
I am your sister.
What? You're my sister?
Yes.
What do you mean, my sister?
I am your sister.
So, would you like to care to do build a piggy with me?
I love piggy.
Should we build one?
Sure.
Do you want me to introduce you to Dr. Sherlock?
No, because I
Come.
know him already.
Can't what?
I know the real one.
Here.
It's supposed to be a Sherlock.
Okay. Look at. Ready? Come look at Dr. Sherlock.
I already saw him.
Isn't he so cute?
I'm standing on him.
Don't do that, you rude woman. It's for fun. Don't do that. Okay. So let's build this giant pig, shall we?
Sure.
Would you like some pink wool? Oh wait, actually, before, because some people might have not seen this. Come here.
Yeah?
Come here. Come here. Come on. Actually, move your buttocks. So you see this? It's a jar.
What the heck?
Yeah, there was supposed to be a creeper with this, so I did it with MC Edit. Well, there was supposed to be a skeleton in there. I did it with MC Edit, which was kind of cool, because, you know, I decided to do this. So, it's just a jar with a skeleton. So, we're on peaceful, so I can't really do it. Yeah, it's just a jar, so I can pop you in there.
To kill him?
Yeah, okay. I also made this in MC Edit. I wasn't really knowing what the heck I was doing, honestly. Okay. Are you coming?
No.
Oops. Are you coming? Look. Okay, so let's
What
build
the heck?
Yeah, let's build this giant
They
pig.
look like giant shoes.
There
You
we
should
go.
make that a man.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to make, but it was very complicated and I didn't feel like doing it. So here's some pink wool for you.
Give me pink wool. Wow.
It's right behind you.
I want some pink one. Baby.
So just fill in
Baby
this.
pink wool.
Let's just fill in this like.
The first
roof.
one? Oh, the roof?
Yeah, just fill. You see how there's like this floor slash roof thing? Just fill that in.
I'm so bad at doing roofs. I take like years.
Okay, so let me
Do my
know
roofs.
a little bit more of you.
Of me.
Yeah,
If you live with me.
I don't know that.
First thing, you live with me. Second thing, you're my sister. And third thing,
I'm evil.
in the real life you're evil.
Okay. Just shut up and make this piggy.
I am.
So what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Stephania.
Oh my god. I remember you. You just like died a few days ago, didn't you?
The other days I told you this. Yeah. And you were trying to get upstairs.
Stefania.
I was putting her pants while she was on the steps. She burped in my face. She farted in my face.
I didn't fart in your face.
So I said, why not get revenge?
Okay, so you know this is the front of the pig right here. So we want to make this.
That
blue.
looks weird.
So
You can make that a giant horse.
we'll do that later. We've ruined everything. So this is how high I want the bodies.
That is so high. Yeah. Oh my golly gosh. That is the tallest thing ever. Like, I've never seen a taller thing ever. Ever, ever. Ever, ever, ever.
Just finish this wall and shut up.
But I haven't seen anything like this ever.
Okay,
So big.
I get it.
I haven't seen anything like this. Yeah. And it's
watches.
And yeah. And this is so fun. Just putting blocks down. It's the funnest thing ever.
Oh my god.
You don't know how fun this is. Cause
Can you just like shut up?
this is so fun. So I can't shut up. So yeah.
Thank you for shutting up.
No, I'm not shutting up.
Could you just seriously? Could you like please shut up?
No.
What kind of face are we making this pig have?
A weird thing.
Should we make it have like, you know when like in movies how sometimes the babies they have like really like kind of like they're like drooling and stuff, like Jack Jack from The Incredibles.
I haven't seen that.
For the
Oh yeah. The Incredibles, the superhero.
yeah, the superhero movie.
Oh. Remember the stretchy guy? The girl?
Yeah, that's a wife.
The boy that's really fast is so annoying.
Stefania.
He's
That's
so
nothing
annoying.
you say daily.
Yeah. He gets so annoying. Like you.
Oh my god.
Oh, let me talk a bit about my...
No one wants to learn about you, you know.
Sophia's really stupid. Because she never wants to do her homework. So yeah.
Stupid.
She's just like, wait. She's like,
Just tell me more about you. I don't care about me. Everyone knows me.
I like to draw. I like to do my homework.
Yeah. Oh my god, you took your inventory.
What? I did?
Yeah.
What if I take my inventory?
It says press E to open your inventory.
I pressed E to open my inventory.
Yeah, you're in the glitch, isn't it? It's not like every time you press E, it opens. It says Stefania, stop. Okay, stand up. Go.
Let's go.
And then we need to do the walls.
What? I hate warning.
Well, you know, life is life, and sometimes you need to do things you don't
I'm
like.
so
to do.
bad at warning. Yeah.
This pig is so cool.
I know.
Wait, stop looking. This pig is so weird. Because like he has like this. Okay, I'll do that.
Black, 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 black,
What
black.
do you say?
Black. Black, 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 black. Black. Black, black, black,
Can you-
black.
I'm about to kill you soon.
Black. Black. No, okay. Black.
Shut up!
Black, 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 black. Black, black. Black, 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 black. Black, black, black.
Shut up.
Black. Black, 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 black.
We're gonna have like the head here. Come out for a second. We're gonna have the head here.
Black.
This is a very small head.
That is the tiniest head. That's a neck, actually.
No, this is the head. But we're just gonna do like, I don't know.
The head needs to be like an inch taller.
What?
Like it needs to be 1 block taller. The head.
We can do this.
Yes.
Oh, oops, Skype. Oh, stop it. Stop it, Skype.
It's mine.
I know it's mine too. What? We can do this.
What the heck?
Okay, let's define. Look, we can
What?
do
The heck?
We'll have some black wool here, and then we can watch it burn if you want. Are we gonna burn this thing now?
No.
Probably in the last episode of this series, what we'll do.
We'll burn everything.
Click
Oh. We should put a lever. You know what would be cool? If there was a lever and it changes the faces.
Look at that.
If you do that once more, I will continue being like silly ones. Hi guys, I am a Cylon.
Stop doing
And
that.
I am a pig. And so for amazing. And she made me so horrible.
Wait,
I have one eye facing that way and one eye facing that way.
Oh my
I think same beautiful.
Do you want me to make it fine? There we go.
Oh, I go on that. I like the animal. But where's my nose?
You already got my nose.
Where's my ear?
There we go.
What? You need to put buzzer noses. You need to put like the dot noses.
Oh yeah, like the piggy noses.
It needs to be another one.
Oh
It
yeah.
needs to be another. No, don't do the eyes like that.
No, the eyes need to be like that.
No.
There we go. And then we'll do. Oh, do you hear that?
Yeah.
Did you just hear that?
Yeah.
Do you know what that means?
What?
The episode is done.
No.
Yes,
Are we gonna make another one?
probably.
Right now.
No, I don't know. Probably.
What the heck?
There we go. That looks more beautiful. Okay, so thank you for watching this, guys. Please subscribe if you like this. And please subscribe if you like that my little sister's here. And please subscribe if you like this.
Oh
beautiful
my
thing.
god.
It looks more beautiful now.
It looks ugly.
Okay, so
One day I'm gonna just take a picture of this when I'm in 5th grade. I'm gonna take a picture of this and just send it to all my friends and I'm saying,
I think
my
that's
sister made a creepy pig.
I think we need to like make the head stick out of it. So
No!
So yeah, thank you for watching this, guys. I'll probably do some off-camera work on this because yeah,
That's just creepy.
I'll just do the walls off camera.
Sophia, this is creepy.
Okay, thank you for watching this, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say bye, Samaya.
Bye!